We live with the benefits of electricity every day, while most people give little thought to where electricity comes from. There are many different ways to generate electricity, including coal, oil, gas, hydroelectric, nuclear, and solar. Nuclear generated electricity is unique in that it inherently addresses many of the shortcomings of the other means for power generation. The use of nuclear power provides answers for many problems in the areas of carbon emission, fuel efficiency, cost, and reliability. Zero carbon emission. In contrast to fossil fuel plants like coal, oil, and gas, nuclear power plants do not produce any carbon dioxide, methane, or other toxic emissions which are major contributor to the greenhouse effect. According to a research, nuclear power plants prevent 5.1 million tons of sulfur dioxide, 2.4 million tons of nitrogen oxide, and 164 million metric tons of carbon from entering the Earth's atmosphere each year. More energy for less. Nuclear fuel raw materials come from the Earth. Uranium 233, uranium 235, the primary fuel material, is mined. 1 kilogram of uranium 235 can theoretically produce about 20 terajoules of energy, assuming complete fission, as much energy as 1.5 million kilograms of coal. Let us understand this. Like 1 kilogram of coal will give you 8 kilowatt of heat, whereas 1 kilogram of uranium 235 will create 2.4 million kilowatt. It means it is more than 2 to 3 million times of the electricity produced from the coal. Reliable power. Nuclear energy has by far the highest capacity factor of any other source of energy. This basically means nuclear power plants are producing maximum power more than 93% of the time during the year. That's about 1.5 to 2 times more as natural gas and coal units, and 2.5 to 3.5 times more reliable than wind and solar plants. Why are nuclear power plants more reliable? The answer is because they require less maintenance and are designed to operate for longer stretches before refueling, typically every 1.5 or 2 years. A typical nuclear reactor produces 1 gigawatt of electricity. Now, based on the capacity factor, you would need almost 2 coal plants or 3 to 4 renewable like wind or solar plants, each of 1 gigawatt size, to generate the same amount of electricity.